Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Raid Fly Stick for safe, effective use. Check and insert fresh one. 5-volt AA batteries, because low power reduces zap strength. Once done, visually inspect the metal grid and plastic mesh for debris or holes. A clean grid ensures consistent contact. Make sure the safety switch is set to on before use and hold the handle firmly. You want control and readiness, so position yourself near the infestation area, but out of reach of pets and kids. You now move into active use. Approach pests slowly to avoid scattering them, because sudden motion gives insects time to evade. Aim the stick so insects cross the grid perpendicularly. That maximizes contact area. Press the activation button only as you swing. Short pulses work better than holding it down, and they conserve battery. Once done with a pass, pause for 1 to 2 seconds so stragglers fly into the strike zone. If you're using attractants, sweep near windows, lights, or food waste where flies. Finish by switching the unit OFF and cleaning the grid with the provided brush. Never submerge the stick or use solvents, because water and electronics don't mix. You should inspect and replace batteries when you notice weaker zaps. Test with a thin paper edge at low power to confirm function. If the device misfires or won't energize, make sure the mesh is aligned, screws are snug, and battery polarity is correct. If problems persist, contact support or replace the unit. Safety first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.